Amazon, I swung my shit overnight on Amazon. This thing is going to be up. What I have is going to be up nice. I'm in down here from like 34.78, 34.80, right in that neighborhood. I'm going to have what, $80, almost $100. My contracts should be up around $50 or so. Again, I'm going to take profits right at the open. I'm not going to let the gap get away from me. You can always get back in. You can always get more on. Got a nice freaking gap up on Amazon there. But I'm looking to get back in if I get a decent trade here. But I had some size and that's it. I had to take it. So I'm looking for the top of the hour here to do anything on SPX. Amazon's looking pretty good. But I want to wait till the top of the hour, see if we get some more downside or not. Yeah, man, I got some right there. I got some already. Stop in place. I know I said wait till the close. I know you better wait till the close, but I got some anyway right there. And then if we can get the close here and it dip right into 3,500, another $6-8, I'm gonna take that second strike. Got it. I'm in. I got my second strike on. I got my stops in place. Anyway, that was a nice quick $10 on Amazon contracts. Took a little profits. I'm not adding, just got my stop in place. And that's it. No telling where we're going to go from here, what the market's going to do. But that was a nice freaking bounce. I don't care how you slice it or dice it. If I stop out now, I still kick ass win on the Amazon contracts. Stop.